What's going on, Bam Fam? About to get a awesome workout here. Going to be a 12-minute AMRAP of 12 wall balls and 6 toes to bar. However, I don't have a wall ball. So what I do have is a 16 kilo kettlebell. So I'm gonna use that and I'm gonna try and do a, let it release off my hands. Maybe about 6 inches up in the air. I don't wanna throw it too high and put a hole in my ceiling. Or not be able to catch it and it come crashing to the floor and break something. So we'll see what happens. But let's get into it. All right, as you can tell, that workout sucked. That workout sucked a little bit. Man, I really hate working out in the wintertime. That makes my throat all, I don't know, the cold air, the brisk air during wintertime makes my throat, burn. Okay, I now have some snatch work to do. So I'm going to get into that. I've got 2 sets of 3 snatches, but like 3 position snatches. So high hang, below the knee, full snatch at 65% of my 1RM. Then I got some other stuff. So I'll check back in with you here in a moment. So we have an issue. 65% of my 1RM is 115 pounds. I don't have 25-pound bumper plates or 35-pound bumper plates, so 135 it is. So if you know anybody out there who's looking to get rid of some 10s, 15s, 25s, or 35s, bumpers, let me know. At a decent price, of course. Not the COVID prices. All right, just finished my workout. That was a beast of a workout. Boom. There we go. It was the 12-minute AMRAP, 3 position snatches, and then 5 sets of 3 back squats. So yeah, had to take a couple weeks off because I ripped my hands up, but I got some new toys, so I don't rip my hands again. Or, well, rather, I have less of a chance of ripping my hand again. Boom! Bear Complex leather grippy thingies. No, I'm sure you've used them before. Maybe not. But they're pretty legit. They are super grippy. I didn't use them on this because I used my rings. I was supposed to do toes to bar, but I ended up doing toes to rings. Just easier on the shoulders while I'm trying to get my shoulders unlocked. So yeah, it was a great workout. It was a difficult workout. I really had to use I had to use a lot of heart to get through those snatches, and then of course the squats. It was terrible. I was not feeling the best. I was feeling very tired and very out of breath for some reason. So, but we made it through the workout. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any other workouts that you would like to see or any kind of content that you would like for me to cover, and I will catch you guys in the next one.